Former Congresswoman and gun shooting survivor Gabby Giffords is sharing her story of recovery and determination in a new documentary released this week. Gabby Giffords Won't Back Down recounts the former Democratic Representative's journey since she was seriously wounded in an attack at a gathering of constituents in Tucson, Arizona in January 2011, in which 6 people were killed. Giffords stepped down from Congress after sustaining a serious head injury and has since become a leading activist for gun restrictions in the United States. "Move ahead, do not look back. Fight, fight, fight every day," she told Reuters about her mission to end gun violence despite a recent rash of mass shootings in the United States, including at a 4th of July parade in Highland Park, Illinois, and at an elementary school in Uvalde, Texas. The documentary includes an interview with former U.S. President Barack Obama, footage filmed during Giffords' recovery, and an intimate look at her marriage to former astronaut and now Democratic Senator Mark Kelly. It was directed by Julie Cohen and Betsy West, known for the 2018 Oscar-nominated film about late U.S. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Gabby is yet another strong woman that we've had the opportunity to film, and I would say really one of the most inspiring, West said. Asked what the film's message was, Giffords, who received the Presidential Medal of Freedom at the White House last week, said, "For me it has been really important to move ahead, to not look back. I hope others are inspired to keep moving forward no matter what." Gabby Giffords Won't Back Down is released in U.S. theaters on Friday. Reuters.